At this point, I think we're ready to go ahead and start moving forward with some color. And in order to do that, we're going to start adding on glazes. And what's important with glazes is a lot of things. Number one is patience. So you've already been very patient creating this value study over the last couple weeks. Now we need to be more patient about adding on these layers. Because what's happening with the glazes is the thinner the paint, the light's going to go through that thin paint, reflect off of the surface, the opaque surface, which is effectively our panel itself, bounce back, and that's what creates that glow. So the thinnest parts of our painting we have purposely kept thin, which are the highlights, right? Because it's going to give it the fewest amount of layers to go through and bounce back out of. So we kept things thin where the highlights are, and we're going to continue to do that by keeping the layers thin. So we got to be patient, let things dry in between. If it takes more than 2 layers, that's fine. You can push it as far as you want to go. So if you watch the presentation that was before this, you have a very good understanding of how to apply zinc white so that it does not flake off in years to come. So we will be playing in zinc white and various other colors here. So I'm going to go ahead and take you down to the palette here. So we have our